Hello, my name is Tom Worthy from the Howardson Group, and today I'd like to introduce the new Dennis lightweight ES-34SL. Weighing just 187 kilograms, the Dennis ES-34SL is considerably lighter than other machines on the market. That weight saving also brings benefits from less operator fatigue and has reduced ground pressure, which brings turf health benefits. The ES-34SL features a 34-inch width cut and also features a robust 200 litre capacity grass box, which gives good visibility for operator during use. The machine is also fitted with an 8-blade 140mm diameter cylinder that is adjusted through our fine adjusters on the front that gives us a height range of 9 to 35mm of cut. These adjusters work at increments of 0.1mm to give us really fine adjustment when we're trying to alter our height of cut. New to the 34SL is the integrated grooming brush. This is adjusted through our quick adjust system at increments of 0.5mm per click, and this is to stand the grass up and give an increased quality of cut and more consistency throughout the pitch. This machine is also fitted as standard with a 89mm wheelie roller designed to improve cut quality and reduce grass flattening ahead of cutting. As an option, we offer a smooth front roller instead of the wheelie roller, and on the rear we also offer a rubber coated rear roller. Sits alongside the ES-860, and while the ES-860 is still the most versatile of our machines with interchangeable cassettes, the ES-34SL is a dedicated mower with the ability just for dedicated mowing for customers who are looking at that enhanced cutting quality. The ES-34SL is powered by a 48 volt 111 amp hour lithium powered battery that delivers consistent power throughout the working day, and its charge time is roughly between 1 hour 45 and 2 hours from empty to full cycle. Our battery machines have multiple benefits, including reduced emissions at point of use, reduced vibration, lower noise levels compared to traditional petrol machines, particularly in environments where there might be limitations on when you can use machinery or not, and reduced, if none, chemicals, i.e. petrol. At the rear of the machine, we have a 168mm two-piece aluminium roller for striping and stability. This also aids turning at the end of a run and is available in a rubber coated option. The machine features adjustable handles to accommodate all operator heights. Also features a mechanical park brake from a safety operation and emergency stop button. The intuitive screen controls allow simple adjustment of the forward speed, clip rate, cylinder operation while also displaying the battery charge information. The 34SL also features an automated backlapping function for in-season blade edge maintenance. From a service and support side, the ES-34SL features less moving parts than the petrol models, and as a result comes with a reduced service requirements and no engine maintenance. The product is also supported by our dealer network worldwide and comes with a standard 2-year warranty. The Dennis ES-34SL expands the Dennis electric range while providing a lighter machine but also delivering the precision cut quality that Dennis is known for. For more information on the product or to arrange a demonstration, please contact us via the details on our website.